They say first impressions are everything. In business, that's especially true. Our next guest is the first person you see when you enter a business. Let's meet the receptionist. Hi, I'm Viviana.
Hi, I'm Melanie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to Aboriginal Tourism BC. My name is Melanie Bingham. I'm from the Shuswap Nation. I am a receptionist here at Aboriginal Tourism BC in West Vancouver. I would describe my job as being the face that people see when they first come in, keeping everybody organized and on track, and I am able to assist wherever possible. I get here in the morning, I answer emails, I take all of the general inquiries and direct them where they need to go. I also do some event management as well as working directly with our stakeholders. So this is where you would sit if you're the receptionist. You would greet people as they walk through the door, and you would also greet people as they call. The phone is ringing. How about you give it a try?
Sure, I'd love to. Good morning, Aboriginal Tourism BC. This is Viviana speaking. How can I help you?
I typically work 8:30 to 5, Monday to Friday. Some of the skills you need are time management, organization. You need to know how to type. You must be a high school graduate. Education in tourism is a plus, and education within is ongoing. Customer service is definitely a necessity. I've taken some frontline customer service training through the organization. There's a lot of moving parts. There's 4 departments, and keeping everything moving cohesively is challenging at times, but it's also very rewarding. What I do pulls all those pieces together.
Wow, so these are all the documents that you need to maintain, organize, and share with everybody?
Yeah, so a lot of what I do is data entry and making sure all the details are correct, and then I share back with the team.
So you definitely need to know how to work a computer, that's for sure.
Definitely. A misconception about being a receptionist is that you just sit at the front desk and answer the phone and greet people as they come in, but it's so much more than that, especially in a small team. Everybody's expected to help out everywhere.
You know, a misconception that I would have about your job is that I would expect there to be a ton of paper and filing cabinets.
Everything is definitely electronic now, even if we're not sharing it online. We use a lot of memory sticks and share within the office. The only things that we really file anymore are our financials. When I do have to help out the finance department, it's usually doing bank deposits. So we receive our stakeholder membership fees, and I put it all into the deposit book and bring it over to the bank and make sure that the numbers are what I calculated them to be.
So we're building a binder. What is the importance of this binder that I'm helping you with?
So we have a board of directors meeting coming up this week.
The important one.
Yes. We need to assemble the binder, follow the agenda, make sure that all the documents are under the right tab in the right order in the binder, so when the board members come and they read the agenda, they can easily follow along.
Okay, and this is the agenda here?
That's the agenda.
Great.
This job is very rewarding in the sense that you're able to grow, and there's no set path of where you can grow to. You have the ability to get your foot in the door anywhere within the organization.
Melanie, thanks so much. I had a great day with you and I learned a lot.
Awesome, no problem. Come again.
Thanks. Once again, I'm Viviana with Career Trek, reminding you that this career could be yours. We'll see you next time.